If you need to reset your service light and or your brake fluid warning light on your Mini, then in this guide I will show you how it's done. This warning is normally displayed on your dashboard as seen here when the ignition is turned on. This reset is really easy to do. Just follow these couple of steps and you will have it done in no time. Switch on the ignition at the center console and wait about 20 seconds for the startup cycle to finish, and then using the trip odometer reset on the left hand side, just press and hold the button, and then after some time the option to reset will come up. Then it's just a case of press and holding again until it finishes the cycle of the reset. This can be done on both brake fluid and the service light. And as you can see, it is now reset. And now each press of the trip odometer shows you the status of the service items. Well, I hope this video has helped you with your service reset after you've serviced your car. So thanks for watching. This has been how to fix it. Please, why not check out these other useful videos coming up next, and I'll see you over there right now.